This is page 234. No, I wrote the wrong page on there. 235. I wrote the wrong pages altogether. Let me fix that right now. Okay, here we go. Boop. Ah. Boop. Boop. Oh, I'm writing on it. Okay, this is actually 235 and 235 to 236. There we go. Now it's right. Letter A at the top of page 235. We're going to use PEMDAS. We're going to use the order of operations to simplify. You can't just combine things in any order you want to. You have to do division and multiplication first, left to right, and then addition and subtraction, left to right. And we're not dealing with exponents at this point in time. But parentheses, you do have to start with parentheses because that's what the P stands for. Here we go. Letter A. Simplify x plus 6x plus 2x. And so x plus 6x plus 2x is a bunch of x's. 6x plus 2x. That's 1 plus 6 plus 2, which is equal to 9 x's. Righty? Now, letter B says 7x minus 5x minus x. This one you got to be a little bit more careful on it. You got to work from left to right. And because if I did this part first, 5x minus x, I'd get 4x. And that would give me actually the wrong answer here. Okay, so I'm going to do this part first, left to right. 7x minus 5x is 2x. And then I take away an x. So I'm left with just x. So this becomes 2x minus x, which is x. Left to right. You got to do it left to right. Okay. Letter C. Simplify 9x minus 3x plus 2x. Again, don't start here with the addition. Work your way from left to right. So you're going to start with the subtraction in this case, and then go to the addition. So 9x minus 3x is 6x, and then we're adding 2x, which is equal to 8x altogether. All right, pause the video, do numbers 21 through 26. Just go ahead and do all of them. And then as I'm showing you the answers, if you're realizing you're doing them wrong, you could fix them before you watch the last part here as I go through it. So 21 is j plus 3j in parentheses plus 2j, which is not really hard. That first blank, they're asking what would go in place of this, which is 4j plus 2j, which altogether is 6j. That one's pretty easy. 22 is next to 21. It's not below it. This one says 4j plus 5j plus 2j. Super easy. 11j's altogether. 23, 9t. You got to curl that t so it doesn't look like a plus sign. Minus 3t minus 4t equals, do this part first, which is 6t minus 4t, 40, no, it's not 40, equals 2d. There we go, number 24. Oh, I'm going to erase and get this back up there again. Okay, number 24 is 5t minus t minus 4t. 5t minus t is 4t minus 4t equals nothing, 0. Don't put a t in there in your answer. And number 25, 8w minus 6w plus 3w. And first subtract. So we have 2w plus 3w, which is equal to 5w. Last but not least, number 26 says 7w plus 2w minus 6w, which is equal to 9w minus 6w, which is equal to 3w. There it is. All right, now we're not done yet, though. That was too quick and easy. Let's do the next part. At the bottom of the page, erase this. And it says, collect like terms to simplify algebraic expressions. Now we're collecting like terms. Letter A, the figure shows a parallelogram. Find the perimeter of the parallelogram. So if we wrote this out without simplifying it, we would have r plus 8 plus r plus 8. So we can collect these together and collect those together and make this 2r plus 16. That's it. That's the answer for that one. Super easy. All right, let's go to letter B, next page. That was A, and here's B. Simplify 5x minus 2 plus 3x. 5x minus 2 plus 3x is equal to, well, we've got plus 3x, so I'm going to collect those together and get 8x minus 2. That's how you do that. Just combine these like terms and leave the minus 2 alone. It's a subtraction. It's a negative number right there. All right, pause the video. Why don't you just do number 27, and then we'll go over that one before you go on. Okay, 27. The figure shows a quadrilateral. Find the perimeter of the quadrilateral. So it's got 6 plus 2x plus 2 plus 6x. We can combine the 6x and the 2x and get 8x, 6 and the 2 and get 8. So it's 8x plus 8. Or you can write 8 plus 8x. Same thing. Switching the order doesn't make any difference. All right, pause the video and do the rest of them all the way down at the bottom of the page. And then turn the video back on. So number 28, I'm just going to be writing the answers. 4x minus 3 plus 3x. The 4x and the 3x can be combined to 7x, and then we still have minus 3. Number 29 is 5y plus 4 minus 2y. Well, if we have 5y, we take away 2y, we have 3y. So we got 3y plus 4. That is a y. All right, 30 is 8y minus 7 minus 4y. Well, if you have 8y, you're taking away 4y, you're left with 4y minus 7. Number 31, 7z plus 9 minus 2z minus 2. So we have 7z and then minus 2z. That's 5z. Sounds like I'm saying something funny. And then we have plus 9 minus 2. That's equal to 7. That's probably the hardest one. Now, if you missed that one, you might want to pause the video, see how I did that again. Let me actually put the problem out here and show you what my brain does. Plus 9 minus 2z minus 2, okay? I'm looking at 7z. I'm looking at the symbol before the 2z here. 7z minus 2z, 5z. And then here I'm looking at plus 9 minus 2, which is plus 7. That's how I do that in my head. Okay, pause the video and fix the other ones if you think you got them wrong. 32. We have 5 plus 11z minus 4 plus 6z. So we have the 11z and the 6z, which is 17z. And then we have the 5 minus the 4, which is 1. 17z plus 1. 33. We have 8g plus 10 minus 3g plus 7. So if we have 8g minus 3g, we have 5g. Hey, like cell phones. And if we have plus 10 plus 7, we have 17. So 5g plus 17. 34, we have 12 plus 6g minus 5 minus 4g. So plus 6g minus 4g is 2g. And the order on this doesn't matter. You can switch, like on the last one, you can put 17 plus 5g is fine. 2g, and then if I have 12 and minus 5, I have plus 7, 2g plus 7. last but not least, 27 plus 3r minus 9 plus 15r. Let's start with the r's. We got plus 3r plus 15r. That's 18r. And then we have 27 minus 9. Well, 27 minus 10 is 17, so it's 18. So 18r plus 18. There you have it.